Okay, so I'm outside in the Colombian heat. It's probably getting close to midday. The sun's getting very hot. I know the sun rises very early over in Colombia, but it's getting very hot. I'm very dehydrated. I've been so tired and out of energy. I haven't had much time to film. You know, this isn't just like your typical survival thing where they've got a crew or they even get dropped off at the exact location where they need to be. I have to walk into my location. So far, I've been walking for almost a full day. So I came in yesterday, slept, took a sleep outside without no shelter. I was bitten quite heavily, and now I've been walking quite a lot. I haven't had any water since yesterday, and I'm very dehydrated. I need to find some water soon, I know that. So I need to do essentially. Just walking. Wanted to use these leaves as a part of my kind of coverage for my genitals, but as you can see there are sharp thorns inside there and I would not want that. I might just use these. This will make editing a lot easier as you won't have to blur out a penis. And just put that around. That'll kind of give enough coverage.